Before you scroll, pause for 1 second, because right now, quitting seems like what the whole world is doing. Everywhere you look, people are walking away from their jobs, talking about freedom and reinvention. And when you're tired, the urge to quit feels powerful. But quitting without a plan, especially right now, can be a huge mistake. The global market isn't favorable for employees, and stability matters more than people want to admit. I wanted a reason not to quit. I'm a cybersecurity consultant at one of the Big Four, working in the financial sector. And I want to be clear about this. I actually love my job. This isn't about hating a 9-to-5. But when my mother had her incident, something shifted. I realized that no matter how good a job is, I don't want my entire life to depend on a company deciding how my time is used. Time is the one thing you can't get back. You can only buy it, and only if you've prepared for that moment. That's the real risk most people miss. It's not burnout. It's that rent, insurance, medical bills, and even small things like traveling or resting all depend on one paycheck. When that's the case, decisions stop being calm and start being emotional. And emotional decisions are expensive. So instead of quitting based on feelings, here are 3 calmer moves that actually work. First, use the 9-to-5 for what it's good at. Let it pay the bills, let it fund your insurance, your basics, and your stability. A job can be a foundation without being a cage. Second, build a safety net on purpose. A real savings buffer for emergencies, medical costs, and actually enjoying life a little. That buffer buys peace. And peace changes how clearly you think. Third, start building income on the side without burning your time. That's what I did with YouTube. I use AI tools like HeyGen to create an avatar instead of filming myself, which makes content creation faster and less draining. You'll find my affiliate link in the description below. Full transparency. I earn a small commission if you use it. That income doesn't replace my job overnight. I reinvest it into digital marketing and simple digital products like ebooks or print on demand. I sell them through System.io using a free lead magnet that collects emails and builds trust. That link is also below. And yes, it's an affiliate link too. And to keep everything grounded, I follow one rule that's been around for generations. Pay yourself first and invest with discipline. The same principles from the richest man in Babylon. You can get the book for free. It's linked in the description. Here's the real takeaway. You don't quit when the urge is loud. You quit when the numbers say you're safe. And if you're still standing right now, loving your job, questioning the cost of your time, maybe you don't need motivation at all. Maybe you just need a plan that makes quitting optional. Before you scroll, pause for 1 second, because that's exactly where this starts.